In this lesson, we are going to look on effects of water pollution. And when we talk about water pollution, we said what it is when human beings or animals dispose waste on the water, which makes water harmful. And we learned about some of the pollutants of water. Go through them. We have the floods, we have waste from human beings, we have oil spillage, we have farm chemicals, acid rains, disposal of low industry waste, and also disposal of low waste, which we can. Now we want to see the effects of each and every this pollutant here. We start with the first one. Flood is the excess water from rain that gets into the water sources. During floods, siltation occurs in dams and rivers. This kills aquatic life. When we talked about aquatic life, we talked about fish and other animals that live in water. And also when we talk about aquatic life, also we have some plants that grow in water. Now, that is what we are saying, that when there is flood, something that is called siltation. And when siltation occurs, the water is no longer safe. Now we have the other one that we said, we have the tankers. We said tankers are those lorries that carries oil. Now oil spills block oxygen from getting into water. This threatens aquatic life as they lack oxygen for breathing. In our previous lesson we said that animals, they do what? They take in oxygen and they give out carbon dioxide. Now when water, this is the water source here, this is the fish that is here. When the fish is here and then oil spills here, it blocks the oxygen from getting. Therefore the aquatic life here, this fish which is here, it will do what? It eventually dies because there is lack of oxygen in. When farm chemicals are washed into rivers, they kill aquatic life. We said we have chemicals such as, we said there is herbicides, there is pesticides, and there is fungicides. All these are the chemicals. Herbicide, we say they are sprayed on the plants to control the pests. The same with pesticides, and also we have the fungicides for killing the fungi. All these they are effects of, they have effect on water. We have domestic water. When dumped into rivers, they may lead to spread of waterborne diseases. When you talk about waterborne diseases, these are diseases that arise due to water being contaminated. Example, we have the cholera, typhoid, bilharzia, etc. So you see, domestic waste, when they are dumped into water sources, they cause these waterborne diseases. Industrial waste such as sulfur oxide and carbon dioxide lead to acid rain, which destroy aquatic and iron roofing. We said that when these harmful gases are emitted into atmosphere, they combine with water and then there is acid rain. Now this acid rain, when it falls to water sources, it kills aquatic life, and also it causes the iron sheet to be corroded because it is an acid. And you see, when an acid falls on a metal, it causes it to corrode. Polluted water makes the soil to lose fertility. Yeah, we shall look at soil fertility in our incoming lessons. We see that a fertile soil is a soil that is able to support growth of plants well. Now this polluted water, it makes soil to lose its fertility. Therefore the soil is no longer productive, and that is the effects of water pollution.